Here at Mr. Mechanic, we're a full-service auto repair facility. We can take care of all aspects of your car, simple things. We can even get into complicated repairs. Pretty much anything about a car that there is to take care of, we can take care of it. Receiving service from Mr. Mechanic is a very simple process, and there's all sorts of different ways. Option number one, you can let your fingers do the punching and set up an appointment online, because we have online appointments available. You can text, you can email, or you can simply pick up the phone and give us a call, or if that's not possible, bring it in and we'll take care of it when you get here. The most important thing about a car repair is who is going to stand behind it, which then raises the question, are they going to be there to stand behind it? Mr. Mechanic has been in business over 30 years. We are what is referred to as a statistical anomaly. And the reason is because we treat people well, we provide quality service at a fair price, and we're here to stand behind the repairs.